Never better. I think from this angle you can see where we've broken up scrap styrofoam and mixed it in. It's kind of a poor man's vermiculite. Seems to work just as fine. The roots climb all around in there, and as long as we keep it wet, and we'll get to that point later, plants they're producing, they're making food where previously there was none. There are no roofs in the compound where we are here in Guatemala City to catch water off of. So what we do is we catch it out of the kitchen while they're washing dishes and such like that. We recycle it, we mix it with some clean water, and we truck it out here and put it in this 110-gallon container and pull out of it as we need. These plants, everything that you've seen here today, gets a mixture of about 50% recycled gray water from the kitchen, basically soap and food residue, and then we mix a little bit of fresh water with that out of the city water system. If it were the rainy season, these plants have never felt rain. They're 7 weeks old now, and they're coming along pretty darn nicely on recycled irrigation water.